So good morning guys, we just woke up. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning, and it was raining the whole night since this morning, but we were safe inside the tent, so it's alright.
Still raining a little bit.
Yeah, it's very quiet.
Yeah.
You can listen to the birds this
Yes.
morning. And so we are in the full nature.
Yes. Okay, we see you later, guys. Early morning in Wollondilly River Station at 7 a.m. So you can listen to the birds. So last night we were about 10 camping tents. Oh my god, how are we gonna get out?
What? Oh, we forgot the key in the car.
Oh my goodness.
We have to jump.
Maybe, yeah. Okay, I'll jump then.
Okay. Okay, you have to jump.
How did you do? Stupid me! Stop filming!
So you did not see that.
I saw it.
Why you try to jump on the door?
You shut up. Oh my god, stop it.
So now we are just going for a walk and see around.
Don't wait up or down. Don't be scared up. Don't wait up or down. Don't be scared up.
1967. Long time ago.
Yeah. So we need to pick up some wood for the fire.
Hey, we can't go this way, look.
Why?
The river.
But we go that way. Turn on right and then on
there.
left.
Can I say something? Guys, if you're coming here, don't do like me. Wear proper shoes. Look, I wear my boots, and now
Now she can't walk.
No, I didn't know.
But I told you.
Yeah, but I thought maybe we'll be alright. I didn't know.
Let's go that way.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Let's go this way.
Are we getting down to the river or to the bush?
Don't wait up or down. Do it down. Don't be scared up. Don't wait up or down. Do it down. Don't be scared up. Don't wait up or down. Do it down. Don't be scared up. Don't wait up or down. Do it down.
Look what you've got.
Ah, it's here. That's this one.
Which one? Oh yeah.
Thanks.
There's plenty here. Let's go.
See, you were laughing at me. Now it's your turn. Good luck, my dear.
Now the more than you.
You want some help? Good luck.
Hey guys, so there's just a couple of things that you should know before you come here. Is the road to get access to here is a little bit rocky. So I would prefer four-wheel drive, but you still can get access with a car. And once you get here, you got the bridge, is very beautiful. And then you have to go where the office is. And then take the radio, call the lady if she's not here, and then you will get the keys and fill up the forms and stuff like that, and then she will drive you where the campsite is. So what you have to bring better is just bring some wood, or sometimes you can get some woods here.
Yeah, you can
And-
take your own woods in the
Yeah.
bush.
Yeah, so that fire will warm you up.
Yeah.
And then you can bring some your barbecue for lunch or dinner, and don't
What?
forget your camping tent.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
You have to wear proper shoes as well.
oh yeah,
What more?
then you can fish. Yesterday night we saw a lot of people trying to catch some what was they fishing?
I don't know. There were prawns in the river.
Yeah,
Little fish too.
yeah, and don't forget to bring your water as well, because you won't have water to drink.
Yeah. And there's toilets everywhere.
Yeah,
But there's only one shower with hot water. Or else you can have a shower in the river. Why not?
or else you don't have to shower.
Yeah. Like us.
Yeah.
And then bring all your food. Because there's no shop here.
No,
There's nothing. It's
not
about
to drive 1 hour.
Yeah.
And as well guys, there's no light, so you have to bring your own light. And so there's two camping sites here. There's one for four-wheel drive and one for two-wheel drive. So if you got a four-wheel drive, it's better. Otherwise, with a two-wheel drive is on the other side. So hopefully guys, the information will help you, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.